Primer for oily skin is the best thing an oily skin person could invest in. Primers can help you minimize those visible pores. It can also help you blurring those fine lines and wrinkles. Also, if you're someone who is a makeup junkie and if you have oily skin, then you know the struggle is real. Your foundation doesn't stay put on and stuff like that. So we're going to talk about best primers for oily skin today. We'll be starting with affordable primers first, and then we will keep on increasing the price. So you will find all the primers specifically for oily skin in each and every range. The very first primer for oily skin, which is also super affordable, is from brand Wet n Wild, and it is their Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. This primer has a great mattifying effect on skin. So if you're someone who's oily skin type, obviously you struggle with the shine and you want to control that shine, then this is a great affordable primer option for you guys. Also, since it's a gel formula, it feels really lightweight on your skin and it blends very smooth. This primer does not feel heavy. यानी कई प्राइमर ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें आपको लगा के लगता है कि अपनी स्किन पे कुछ heavy सा रखा हुआ है, right? Then this is an affordable option to cut that thing. Also, it gives you an instantly smooth sort of a skin. और अगर pores को refine करने की बात करें तो ये primer obviously minimizes your pores, but it does not hide them completely. So I don't want to set any wrong expectations here. It will minimize them, but it will not make them fade away. But if you're talking about the shine control, then yes, it does control shine for a great long duration. If you want to go for an event like जो कि 4-5 घंटे में हो, then this primer is perfect, but then longer durations, I don't think so. This is the best primer for you guys. Affordable budget option में this can do a decent job. That's the first primer from Wet n Wild in the best primers for oily skin. Let's move on to the second one. This is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Primer. This primer is like a gel cream, and the brand says that it has blurring powders which can actually help you in refining your pores and controlling the shine on your skin. So guys, one thing you need to keep in mind before buying this particular primer for oily skin is that it comes in two variants. Make sure that you buy the one which is blue in color because that's specifically made for oily skin type, and that is something which will help control the shine on your face. This primer from Maybelline can hold your makeup up to 8 hours, which is an amazing thing for a primer coming at such price, which is like totally affordable if you want to invest in a primer. Second thing, you can wear it with or without a moisturizer. That's totally your call. Another thing is the blurring powders which this particular primer has actually helps in blurring those pores. So if you're someone who has very visible prominent pores on your skin, तो आप ये primer definitely खरीद के try कर सकते हो. It will help you in reduction of that visibility of those open pores, and obviously makeup तो long lasting ही आपका रखेगा ही. So it's an amazing primer from Maybelline. Then moving on to the third primer for oily skin type would be from a reputed brand. This is from Lotus, and this is Lotus Eco Stay Insta Smooth Perfecting Primer. Alright, so this is an amazing primer for oily skin again because this is oil free. If you have oily skin, you should definitely try to invest in skincare products or makeup products which are oil free because that is something which your skin already has. तो आपके products में अगर होगा तो multiply होके बहुत ज़्यादा excessive oil आपके skin पे produce होगा. So this one in particular is oil free and it has a gel sort of a consistency which is mattifying at the same time. Another amazing thing about this primer is that this is non-comedogenic. अगर non-comedogenic का मतलब नहीं पता है, that means this primer is something which will not clog your pores. So if you're someone who breaks out easily when you try new products, so you should look out for the label called non-comedogenic. It's like a silicone gel, so it holds on your skin very firmly. It's really soft and lightweight, which makes your skin look instantly smooth. So if you're someone who has skin issues, like if you have really prominent pores or acne, then this is a primer which can actually help you out. Another great thing about this primer from Lotus is that it does not dry out your skin, because at times the primers for oily skin are so drying that it totally takes away the moisture. So that's not the case with this particular primer, and hence it will avoid your makeup creasing. If you feel that your makeup gets cracked near your smile lines and things like that, then I think this is a great try worthy primer for you people. The next primer for oily skin would be from brand Color Bar. Now this is a primer which is in market since a really long time, and it's a really loved product. And this one again is an oil-free primer which will try to blur out your pores, minimize your wrinkles and fine lines. Next thing is that this is also made up of silicone. So this also kind of smooths out your uneven skin texture. And if you're someone who struggles with, oily skin which gets dry with primer, what you can do is you can apply a layer of moisturizer and then you can dab in your primer. Just blend it well and wait for 4 to 5 minutes before, proceeding to the next step of your makeup. This primer from Color Bar in particular provides a sheen glow to your skin. Another thing is that it also tones down the redness if you have because of acne or any skin issues. This kind of tones it down. This one definitely decreases your oil production and it obviously makes your makeup last really longer. So next up in the list of primers for oily skin would be from brand LA Girl. Now LA Girl is a great cosmetic brand and the color correctors and everything has worked amazing from this brand. This is LA Girl Pro Prep HD Face Primer, which is like a totally clear gel. This is fragrance free and paraben free. The texture of the primer is not very flowy yet not very solid, like medium to thick texture sort of a primer. This primer from LA Girl feels really lightweight on your skin and it gets absorbed in your skin within a few seconds. This one's also a silica based primer, so I think you do not need a lot of amount to cover your whole face. Just a small tiny amount would be more than enough. One thing to keep in mind while applying this primer or while using this primer is that it could be a little drying. So if you're someone with combination skin, like not totally oily, then it could be a little dry on your skin. So make sure that you follow it up, like you apply a layer of moisturizer first and then you follow up with this particular primer from LA Girl, and you will fall in love with the texture of your skin once you apply this primer. Another very important thing about this primer, if you're someone who has visible open pores, now this is your go-to primer. The others were not really best options, but this one is amazing because it actually covers your visible pores. Since it provides a little bit of tightening effect on your face, this actually diminishes your fine lines and wrinkles, not to a whole lot of extent, but a little bit of difference you can actually feel. And because of its matte texture, ये आपके face के oil को बहुत ही अच्छे से control करता है. The effect of oil control can last up to 5 to 6 hours, which I feel is pretty decent given it covers your pores also, it's helping with the fine lines also, it feels decent. This primer from LA Girl is also paraben and fragrance free, so if you're someone who is very sensitive towards the fragrance, then it's an amazing primer. So these were my 5 top affordable sort of primers in the list of primers for oily skin. Now I can quickly give you a few options if you're willing to spend a little more, and if you're not satisfied with the brands जिनकी बात मैंने अभी की है, थोड़े से high end range पे जाके मैं आपको कुछ 2-3 primers बताऊंगी which are definitely going to work. First primer, which is a little expensive, is from brand Smashbox, and I'm pretty sure if you've been researching about the primer for oily skin, आपको ये primer अपनी हर list में मिला होगा. In general, you always see primers in gel consistency या tube में मिलते हैं, but this is a spray bottle, so it's like a face mist. And brand also claims that you can get goodness of priming, hydration and radiance all in one with this particular primer. So it's like it's worth investing in this primer अगर आपको ये तीनों चीजें चाहिए. This is really good for people who are looking for a silicone free product. This is free of silicone, free of oil and alcohol. So if you are someone who is sensitive and oily skin type, I think this is going to be the best product for you because it does not have alcohol. Generally, sensitive skin people have tendency to break out or get reactions or allergies because of alcohol in the makeup products or skincare products. Best part about this primer is कि आप उसे अपने मेकअप के पहले as proper primer use कर सकते हैं, and then once your makeup is all done, you can use it as a setting spray also. So when you will spray this primer on your face, you might feel a little bit of tackiness. So if you're obviously with oily skin, then you should definitely skip a moisturizer before applying this particular primer because this will do the job of hydration also, and it can help you make your makeup last longer. But let me tell you that it does not actually work on the pores because it's like a primer which just sets up your makeup. It will not really work on your pores, but for oil control, for giving that hydration and sheen glow under your makeup, this is just the right thing. Another high-end primer which you can go for oily skin is from brand Benefit. This is the most famous primer for oily skin. This is Benefit Professional Primer. So it's like a translucent formula which is oil-free, and it also helps in making your makeup last longer. This primer can double up as an eye primer also. It is really good. The texture is so amazing that it makes your foundation blend like silk. This primer from Benefit is non-greasy, and make sure that if you're an excessive oily skin type person, you do not apply moisturizer if you're using this primer, because that is good enough to cover your, moisturizing hydration needs for the skin. So keep that in mind. And the last up on the list of primers for oily skin is from brand e.l.f. You will instantly fall in love with this bottle of primer because it's so cute. This primer from e.l.f. does have, some sort of a fragrance. Don't worry, it fades away in a minute or so. So even if you're sensitive to fragrance, you need not to worry about that. It will not linger on. This primer from e.l.f. gives a very dewy finish to your skin. So if you apply it, first of all, it's really runny, so it makes it really spreadable on your skin. And it blends well with the foundation also. Another thing is, as I was saying, it provides a very sheen, a dewy glow to your makeup. So if you're someone who's looking for matte makeup, then this is not the right primer for you. You can buy any of the previous ones. But if you're someone who's looking for a dewy and glowy kind of a makeup, this can be your go-to primer. It will definitely feel smooth and soft to touch. But again, this is also not something which will help you out if you have really visible pores. For oily skin, this primer could be a great thing because it is moisturizing also. You can obviously skip your moisturizer and rely on this particular primer for moisturizing your skin. That's one thing. Another thing is, it will definitely make your makeup last longer. So I can say that it can make your makeup last for 8 to 9 hours. So if you're looking for a primer which gives you a long lasting makeup, then this one from e.l.f. could be your best find. And this was my last primer in the list of best primers for oily skin. I hope you've been able to find your best primer after my suggestions. Let me know if you are using one already. I would like to know more about that. And yeah, I'll see you again very soon with another video. Till then, bye.